Hello there, beautiful people. If you want to know how to customize content by country on Shopify, which basically means each customer from different countries, they will see different content based on what you want. That's exactly what I'm about to show you. Without any more talking, let's jump to it. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously access Shopify dashboard. If you are in Shopify dashboard, click on sales channel, then click on online store from here. So it will open up the section where we can edit the theme. And the next thing you're going to do is make sure you duplicate the theme. So if, in case something happened, you can easily get back to the previous version. But in my case, I'm gonna do it on the live theme. So click on edit theme for the duplicated one. And after that, it will open up the theme editor. And on top of the screen right here, you will see Horizon, Live, and Store Default. If you click on it, and you will see theme customizations and more customizable markets below, as you can see. You might not see this one here because I already edited like the store for Asia. That's why it shows here, because it's already customized. But in case, for example, let's just say I want to show different content, for example, Europe. Yeah, so let's just click on Europe. If you click on the region or the market you have on your Shopify store, now all the customizations you will do here, they will only show up on Europe in this case, for my case. So for example, let's just add a new section in here. Let's just click on the plus button, add a template, and let's just click add a hero, for example. If I added a hero, it will say, hey, everything here will be affected based on the market and so on. So selected, let me select a picture quickly. Okay, now I selected the picture, and as you can see here beside the section name, you will see this small little green circle or square. If you hover over it, you will see this message says customized for this market. So you will also see it here on the left, as you can see. So this indicates that this section is only for a specific market, which is in this case is Europe. So now I clicked on save. Let me preview the store. So now after I previewed the store, as you can see here, it says view as United States. So now I'm viewing the store from United States, which basically means that section should not be visible. Let's just scroll down to check. By the way, the section I added in one of my tutorials is completely free. As you can see, this section doesn't exist now. However, if I click on United States, let me switch, for example, to Spain. I see Spain here. Any country in my region, which is I did customizations for Europe. So Spain is in Europe. Let me click on Spain and see. Okay, now previewing from Spain. Let me scroll down, and here it is. So this section right here will be only visible to the market that you did customize in here. And if you're interested in how to create a market and how to set it up, I already made videos on that. But this is how you customize content based on country on your Shopify. And if you have any questions, make sure to drop them below, or you need your help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.